Good morning. Today we are here at Lakeview Lanes. Well, qualifying yesterday. Qualified first for the bracket, so we got 2 buys. We're guaranteed the top 16, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna be 3-game total pinfall matches today, so we gotta win 4 matches to bring home the 10K. Let's get it. We both fizzed game 1. Let's keep the streak alive.
It's 3 times now, buddy. 3 times now. Don't think I'm giving you any more.
Hey, I'm making you earn them every time. You were working that left lane. Like, you picked up a lot of good spares. You broke up a lot of stuff that could have been really bad. I don't even know how I threw that triple in there.
Neither do I.
Hey, it was a good one though.
That triple was more strikes than I had the entire game. I had 2. I had the first and I had the last.
I think we may have thrown 12 strikes the entire set between the 2 of us.
Hair sucked.
But
Good luck, buddy.
The streak's still alive.
Yeah.
10K in cash for you. And that's very nice for you.
Right, got the job done. Appreciate all the support out here, especially the best behind the cam. But shout out to Theo and CBE staff here at Lakeview Lanes. Everything ran pretty smooth. Format is pretty cool. It's something we really only see overseas, so fortunately we got it done today. Process has been really good. Been really good about the mental game, and looking forward to just growing and getting better. Process over outcome. Always gonna try to remember that. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week, right back here in Arizona.